Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to print the Latin alphabet in lower cases on a single line in Golang. So we have the instructions here, as you can see. So it says write a program that prints the Latin alphabet in lower case in a single line. And they have told us what a line is here in programming. A line is a sequence of characters preceding the end of line character. So the backslash n is, it means a new line in programming. So it represents the new line in programming. And we have some restrictions here. So we are not allowed to use any other function but this print run function, which is located in the Z01 package, which we are going to grab later. So as you can see here, if you run your program, you should be able to get this from A, B, C, D up to Z in lower cases. So let's go ahead and do this. First thing first, we are going to declare our main function, which is the entry point of our program. So I'm going to show you two methods of achieving this. So the first method is, using the ASCII art table. So this is what we're going to do. But before doing anything, before writing any code, we need to go and grab this package because we need it. Okay. So we need it. So we need to go and get it. So how can we do this? Let me show you. Let me open the terminal. So I'm gonna clean this up. So what we need to do, we need to go and get it. We need to go and get this package. This is the first thing we need to do. Okay. This package is located in somewhere on the internet. So which is, in a repo on GitHub. So we grab this package and then let's go ahead and do this. As I said, the first method we're going to be using is using the ASCII art. So let me show you what I mean by that. So let's open the ASCII art and see. So this is the ASCII art table. So here we have the decimal value, the hexadecimal, and the characters. So, and what we are going to do is to try to print from A to Z. And then what we're going to do to achieve that, what we're going to do, we are going to use the decimal values of these characters. So we are going to use a for loop to iterate, over 97 up to 122 and print each character, on the standard output. So let's go and do this. So I'm going to say so we're going to start our count from 97, which is the first character, the first lowercase alphabet in the ASCII art table. And then we're going to go up to 122. And as long as this condition is true, we keep iterating it. So what we're going to do, we are now going to print. We are going to print each character. But here is the thing. This I here is, as you can see, is of type integer. So we need to convert it into Woon in order to achieve what we do. So it's very easy to do this. We just use the Woon keyword and then that's it. So let's go ahead and run this program. If I go and run this, here we go. We have A, B, C, D up to Z. But one thing that we need to do is here, as they say, so a line is a sequence of character preceding the end of line character, and this character here. So we need to print the new line. So we need to print the new line, and this new line is represented by, you can put this, or you can put 10, which is the equivalence of the new line, the decimal value of the new line. Let me show you what I mean. I'm gonna open ASCII again. Okay. So if we come here, 10, as you can see, this is the decimal value of character, this new line, which is, backslash n. So let's go back and, okay, let's go and run this now. And here we go. So now we have the new character. So this is the first method you know of solving this exercise. So the second method, I'm gonna print this out. The second method, what we're gonna do, we are going to create, you know, create a string. So what we're gonna do, we are going to create a string. We are going to declare a variable here and call it, if you want, alphabet, and put these characters from A to Z into our string. So now we have this, we can just, use a for loop and iterate. Now I'm going to use a for range loop. So to achieve this range of alphabet. So now we don't need to convert it because we are ignoring the index. So we are not using the index at all. So we are grabbing the character, directly. So we don't need to convert it here because this is the character. So this is of type one. Okay. So we don't need to convert it anymore. So, and now we are going to call, now I'm going to use this \n, which is the same as if you put 10 there. Okay, so there is no difference. So let me clean this up and go around this. Okay, so here you go. So it's the same thing. So this method and this achieve the same result. So this is how you solve this program, this exercise. I hope you've learned something, and I will see you next time. Cheers.